Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Now in this question we are giving a sequence that is defined by this Tn equals to 3n plus 1. We have to find the 12th term. Solution. Now the nth term is represented by the 12th term, which we have to find. That means that our n is equals to 12. Our n equals to 12. So what do we need to do? We write that expression again. Tn equals to 3n plus 1. It means that anywhere we see n, we write 12. Right, so now the 12th term is equals to 3, n is 12, plus 1. Right, so we solve that. The 12th term equals to 3 times 12 will give you 36 plus 1. That shows that the 12th term is 37. All right. So the 12th term of this sequence, which is defined by Tn equals to 3n plus 1, is what? Is 37. Okay, so now let's try this. Let's try this. Now a sequence is defined by Tn equals to n squared minus 5. And here we have to find the 8th term, of that sequence. All right, so the sequence is defined by Tn equals to n squared minus 5. We have to find the 8th term. All right, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and also share. And if you have not subscribed, please do subscribe. Thank you.